Beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. Nice early morning ride. I'm gonna go show you guys a really beautiful beach, top secret. If I can remember how to get there. We just got the van, we're doing some van life camping. And last year I discovered this super awesome little beach right on the river. Let's see if I can find it. I think I'm on the right trail. I don't actually know. Pretty amazing area though. Dark in here. Here, I'll take you guys. We're actually going that way, but I just want to show you guys this cool boardwalk. Pretty cool, hey? Whoa, gap in the bridge. That's so awesome. Ooh, this looks a little shaky. Nice. Neat, eh? And that's good. We'll turn around, take you guys out to the beach. So right on, check this out, you guys. Got a new picnic table that wasn't here before. Got the bicycle. Just love that little thing. So easy to get around on, but check out my digs. So nice, hey? I'll run a few drone clips I just got. Pretty awesome. It's not quite warm enough to swim yet this afternoon. Tomorrow's supposed to be quite warm, 30 degrees. Not bad though, hey? Right on. Hope you guys are doing good. Whew, that looks steep. I don't know if we can, well, you know we gotta try it, don't we? That's very, very steep. Well, you know me. I'm gonna see what the electric bikes can do. Whoa. Oh, another cool lookout. What? What a beautiful river. I don't know about this, you guys. This one's very steep. Crank her all the way up. Oh, you're kidding me. Wow. Oh, I wish you guys could get an idea how steep that is. That's crazy. Wow, I didn't think it would go up that. But it did. Whoa, this thing's got power, hey? So yeah, just a short video, you guys. I hope you enjoy some of those clips. Definitely drop me some comments. Let me know what you guys have been up to this summer.